Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something special for you, the JBL Go 3, a portable, wireless Bluetooth speaker, making it the perfect companion for your next adventure. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. These are some key features of this JBL Go 3 speaker: original JBL Pro sound, bold style and ultra-portable design, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, wireless Bluetooth streaming, 5 hours of playtime, vibrant color options. As we open it up, we're greeted with the stylish and compact JBL Go 3 speaker itself. The design is so sleek and perfect for on-the-go use. The quick start guide. And a USB-C charging cable. The JBL Go 3 comes with an integrated loop. This nifty feature allows you to easily hook it onto your backpack, or even your belt. Take it with you everywhere you go. USB-C port not only allows for fast charging but also ensures a more secure and efficient connection. Top panel features easy-to-use buttons for volume, play, pause. Now, on right side, we have the power button, Bluetooth button, and indicator light. A simple press and hold on power button, the JBL Go 3 comes to life, ready to entertain you with its powerful sound. Bluetooth button on the speaker, you can quickly and effortlessly pair your smartphone or tablet, even computer, laptop or MP3 player. Are you planning to take it outdoors? No worries. The JBL Go 3 is built to be tough and durable. Its rugged design ensures it can handle the bumps and knocks of your adventures without skipping a beat. And here's the best part: the JBL Go 3 is IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Whether you're relaxing by the pool, getting caught in an unexpected rain, or to the park, this speaker can handle it all. In other words, you can bring this speaker anywhere. Despite its compact size, the JBL Go 3 delivers impressive audio quality that will surprise you. Enjoy rich and clear sound that fills any space, making your music experience truly immersive. Let's listen to its sound. Don't let its small size fool you, it packs a punch in battery life too. With up to 5 hours of playtime on a single charge, and also you can charge it within 2.5 hours, you can enjoy your music without interruptions. Now, here's the exciting part. At 60% volume, this little powerhouse can keep the party going for more than 16 hours. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with the JBL Go 3 without worrying about running out of battery. Here are some cons of the JBL Go 3 portable speaker. First one is, it does not provide a battery percentage display when connected via Bluetooth. Users won't have real-time visibility into the remaining battery life, which can be inconvenient, as they might not know when it's time to recharge the speaker. Second one is, the JBL Go 3 may lack advanced sound customization options, such as an equalizer or audio presets. Users who prefer to tailor the sound to their preferences might find this feature missing. Third one is, unlike some other portable speakers, the JBL Go 3 does not come with a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. Users will need to use their smartphones directly to make voice calls. Fourth and final one is, while the Bluetooth feature allows wireless connections to smartphones and tablets, the absence of additional connectivity options like an auxiliary input or microSD card slot may limit compatibility with certain devices. Despite these cons, the JBL Go 3 still offers several advantages, such as its compact and portable design, rugged construction, and wireless Bluetooth connectivity. As with any product, it's essential to weigh these drawbacks against the speaker's strengths to determine if it meets your specific audio preferences and usage requirements. In summary, the JBL Go 3 portable speaker is a user-friendly design and fantastic features. From its USB-C port and easy-to-use buttons to wireless Bluetooth pairing and integrated loop for easy carrying, it's a speaker that's designed to elevate your music experience wherever you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews.